Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into a much requested topic, how to create a group on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1 to begin. Open up your Instagram app. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so. Step 2. To create an Instagram group, you'll need to access your direct messages. You can do this by tapping on the icon in the top right corner of your home screen. Now, let's initiate a new chat. To do this, tap the pencil icon in the upper right corner of your DMs. Step 3. Here's where the magic happens. Instagram will suggest usernames as you type, making it easy to select the right people. In the To field, start typing the usernames of the friends or followers you want to add to your group. After selecting your participants, tap here to give your group a name. When you are satisfied, click on Create Group Chat. Now that your group is created, you can start messaging. Just type your message in the text box at the bottom, hit send, and it will be sent to all the members of your group. And there you have it. You've successfully created a group on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.